soric mind, having soric tinge, having cytotic tinge, having syphilis. Then cytotic, having soric tinge, having cytotic tinge, having syphilis. Yes, and again on syphilis. Then again we have by only on mental then. Okay, then again syphilitic, having soric tinge, cytotic tinge, then syphilis. Then we started understanding the rubrics in this order. Okay, understanding rubrics in this order. Then we have to know what is the difference of these on mental. Okay, when on mental plane is like this, why not on physical plane? Then we started understanding that on physical plane. Then we came to understand, we came to know about the age. Why these soric children oval shaped, why round face having the same age, 7 years or 8 years. Children who are having oval face, round faces and triangular faces. Then I started like reading on that, and Dheeraj said, "बस हो गया, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ सकता, छोड़ दो इसे." Then I said, "नहीं, आप छोड़ दे तो छोड़ दे, but I am continuing this story." Okay. Then yeah, that gave me a whole new picture. Yes. This is what I started concentrating on age. Why age? How the age progresses? Why the children starts becoming round? Why the children become like having the triangular faces then? Okay, why the soric children born with oval face starts becoming round faces? Okay, why the children who are born with round faces will become oval faces in next stages? Why the children who have like born round faces in just only 3-4 years of age they will become triangular faces? Why? Why like this? Okay, so started understanding now. This is how break this. If that is on soric mental stage, whether that is sorico-cycotic or sorico-cycotic. Okay. If that is psychotic, soric having psychosis having soric tinge, psychosis having psychotic tinge, psychotic or psychotic. Yes, that is syphilitic having. This is the dangerous state, which will take the life. Okay. All these stages, yes, we can bring them back to normalcy. Okay, you can try with different medicines. Even if you are failed, after prescribing some medicine, even if you are failed, you can change. But here, this will not give any chance. Okay, if you are failed, in a short period, this person is going to die. And if this has been suppressed, what should happen? This syphilis has to go into the soric stage. Syphilis turning into soric, causing death. Yes? Deepa Mari Payamun and the Velukun Baga Quantum causes this. This is what? दिया कैंडल चल रहा था. कैंडल का लास्ट स्टेज क्या होता है? रोशनी बहुत ज़्यादा है. बताइए. What is that? That is a story. Story stage giving the person who is going to die before, मतलब ये मरने वाला है, मरने से पहला he becomes, मतलब he behaves normally for 1 hour, 2 hours. Then suddenly he collapses. This is like this. Sora. This is cycle. This is the cycle. Okay. Sora, psychosis, syphilis, and Sora, which gives the death. Okay, and then here this goes again back to starts with Sora.
So we are only considering this mental pain. We are not considering the disease, which is a physical level.
Remember this. If this is syphilitic disease, which is directly going to Sora, okay, that is again dangerous on physical plane. Dangerous on physical plane.
We are just considering mind. We have not taken into being the physical disease.
Physical disease में है, physical diseases में है, so that is not going to kill the person.
No,
The distraction. That's what. अब psoriasis है. What is happening there? What is happening there? Destruction of the dermis cells. Yes, destruction हो गया. वहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Again, the psoriasis is taking birth. The new cell is coming out in the same place.
That is after
Yes.
treatment only.
That's what we have put a syphilitic miasm which is giving a birth to Sora and dying.
How can we consider cure seven?
This is what cure should be always in the reverse order. Syphilis to psychosis, psychosis to Sora. Okay. Syphilis to psychosis, psychosis to Sora.
In all cases.
In all cases.
So syphilis will never jump directly into Sora.
So in tubercular miasm, which is
I don't-
considered as
I don't know.
which is considered as soric and syphilis combination, then it has
Tubercular miasm.
no no
छोड़ दीजिए because
no combination of syphilis
syphilis, yeah.
it has to jump from syphilis to sora, no?
It has to jump from syphilis to Sora, but it has to pass through zygotic mass. Yes,
Which
it has
is
to.
not there.
Simple thing. Meningitis. Yes. Eruptions, Koplik spots which are soric. Koplik spots which are soric. The disease has jumped from Koplik spots to meningitis directly. Meningitis, soric to syphilis. Okay. And how it has to come back? It has to come back in the same order. From syphilis to Sora, it has to come in the same order, giving the Koplik patches. But what is that which is happening in between? Inflammation of meninges which has to come down. What it should give? A psychotic pain. Definitely some psychosis has to be generated. Then it has to give a soric complication. Okay? Some inflammation, some edema, then Koplik spots will happen. Yes.
So in diabetes, there are some resistance.
Diabetes is also soric, psychosis is this. All the three miasms are there. Diabetes. Yes. Diabetes is also valid. All the three miasms in that. Soric, psychosis, etc. Yes. Gradual progressing of sugar levels. We take them as psychosis. Sauropsychotic. Okay. Sudden jumping from lower level to higher levels. Saurosyphilitic. Yes. And only one other reason. Start reading H.A. Roberts first. Then chronic diseases. Volume 1, Volume 2, Baranai. Right? Then P.S. Ortega. Then my assumptions. Okay? My assumptions by okay. You understand my assumptions clearly in this. And again, remember this has made my practice very easy. Okay? This started like pushing me forward. And because when you show me a photograph, I generally talk about their characters. This is what the character is, this is what the character is. In this photo. Yes, this photo is showing that she is violent, she's timid, she's smart, she's very good.